Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're cooking up something really special. We're going to show you how to make the ultimate vegan wrap.
We're not going to be making a regular wrap. We're going to be doing a naan bread wrap. And I've seen these all over the internet. They always look absolutely incredible, and I personally love naan bread.
We're going to be loading up these wraps with all sorts of incredible Indian inspired flavors. We've got some lovely tofu paneer that we're going to bake in the oven, and some cauliflower that we're going to cover with all different Indian spices.
Then we're also going to be doing a really creamy mango chutney yogurt as our dressing and our sauce, and then a few other little bits which we will share with you later. But it's going to be absolutely delicious, packed full of flavor, and perfect for lunch or dinner.
So let's just get started.
This recipe has some really fun flavor combos, especially in the sauce, which we will show you later on. But for now, we're going to get started prepping the tofu and the cauliflower. Made a curry paste to go over our cauliflower florets, and in it we have some ginger paste, garlic paste, curry powder, cumin, salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil as well, just to bring it all together. And we're going to drizzle this and rub it all into the cauliflower, and it's going to coat everything, and it's going to give everything a really lovely fragrant spiced flavor. Not spicy, but just really nice and spiced. You're going to have to get a little bit messy. You really want to get in there with your hands to make sure that the paste goes in all the little small nooks and crannies. We're going to be using one of our absolute favorite all-time ever ingredients for the protein in this dish, and that is of course our trusty tofu. And normally we like to fry it in oil to get it crispy, but we also love to do baked tofu as well, because you can still get it really crispy in the oven just with a little bit less oil. So we're going to be using about half a block of tofu for 2 wraps, and we're going to be doing it in nice little cubes and then coating it in some spices and nutritional yeast to give it that kind of paneer-like cheesy flavor. Just a little side tip for those of you who might not be used to cooking with tofu that often: there are lots of different types of tofu and textures of tofu. So the one that we normally cook with is firm tofu or extra firm tofu. That's the best kind of tofu that you want for doing baked or fried to get it really nice and crispy. If you accidentally have a silken tofu, that is probably not going to work for this kind of recipe. If you did happen to accidentally buy silken tofu, because we know people that have done it in the past, then you can still use that for a delicious scrambled tofu, or you can make it into a really nice cheesy sauce, and we'll link a few different recipes here for ways you can use your silken tofu. For our tofu coating, we're going to be coating it in a mix of spices and nutritional yeast instead of corn flour. And instead of just using the flakes of nutritional yeast, which is how it comes out of the pack, we are putting it into a bowl, and then we're just kind of squishing it between our fingers and turning it into more of a fine crumb so that it combines better with the spices, and then it coats the tofu a bit more similar to how a flour would work. We've had our oven preheating at 200 degrees Celsius, and these are now ready to go in the oven. They're both going to go in together. We have put them in separate trays just for ease, and they're going to go into the oven for about 25 minutes. So we want the cauliflower to be nice and soft and maybe a little bit charred, and then we want our tofu pieces to be nice and crispy. And whilst they're in the oven, we're going to get on and make the creamy mango yogurt sauce. I'm just squeezing some of the water out because obviously cucumber has a very high water content, and we don't want it all seeping out into our nice creamy yogurt sauce. Gonna give this sauce a little try. That is really yummy. It's fresh and sweet and fruity, and I think it is just going to go so well with the spicy tofu and the cauliflower. I'm now going to prep the rest of the elements that are going to go in the wrap. So we're keeping it very simple and also quite fresh, just because we've got a lot of spices going on with the cauliflower and the tofu. So we're going to do some nice fresh slices of cucumber. We're also going to do some fresh mint, and then we've also got some quick pink pickled red onions. We've already pickled these, they're already in our fridge, but we will include a recipe on how to make your own pink pickled red onions at home if you want to. One of the most, I think, exciting parts about this wrap is that we're using naan bread instead of like a tortilla or something like that, or flatbread. One thing to say about naan breads is that sometimes they're not vegan, so make sure you check the packet. We bought ours from Sainsbury's. These are actually the peshwari naans, which are my personal favorite, and they do have the vegan label, which is amazing. So yeah, make sure you double check your naan bread for vegan friendly labels. So as you can see, we made one big naan bread, one big flatbread wrap, and then we've sliced it. So if you have smaller naan breads, you can just do little individual ones, or you can do what we did and get one big one and then split it in half. I actually don't know how I'm gonna get my mouth around all of this, but I'm gonna give it a go. I only got bread that time. Let's try this again. That cauliflower is so good. So yummy. I'm not usually a wrap lover because I always associate them with like those really dry falafel wraps you get in the meal deal, and it's like the only thing that you can ever get if you're vegan. But I think they give wraps a bad name because when you do a really good homemade wrap, they're actually so delicious. All the flavors, the fresh mango, and that really nice sweet creamy fresh sauce, and then with that delicious tofu and cauliflower, it really is like all the flavors coming together. Super delicious. You guys have to try this. I think you guys are gonna love it.
Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. Let us know what you guys thought about this recipe in the comments.
Have you guys ever had a naan bread wrap before? We'd love to know. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe now because we post recipes and lifestyle content every week.
See you in our next video.
Bye.